Alrighty, YouTubers, happy first of the month. It is August already. Where did summer go? It went so fast. Like July just flew by. I don't know, maybe we're getting older, but definitely kind of crazy though. And now we're in the fall season, football around the corner. All the good stuff coming out for the holiday season. We're doing another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. I think this is coming from WinZone. Not sure. About to find out. Here comes a cut and a rip. Here we go. Here we go. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. It is Wednesday, hump day. Gotta make it through this week. And we have to offer you guys something good. All you hygienists out there. Boom. Sonic Clean. Kealive. Toothbrush. Bonus. 2 tips. Helps remove plaque. Boom. What do we got here? Power adapter. With USB. 2 minutes auto timer. Alright. Wireless charger. Nice. Nice. Alright, let's take a look. Oh, this is easy. Drop you guys down. Boom. Yeah, definitely check them out, YouTubers. Like I said, link is gonna be down below. There we go. And you guys can get one of these at a low cost. Shipped to you very fast. You got the manual. We don't need manuals. Here is a USB charge. The cord. We got the tip. We got the tip right here. Comes in a nice little holder. Bada boom. And it's supposed to be the charging deck. Base. Yep. Boom. Bada boom. And here she is. Nice. Easy to travel. Put in your pocket. Gum care, polish, white, clean. Oh, this has everything. Oh. Hey. It's not too loud. Pretty cool. Whoa. Okay. Gum care. So all you gotta do is this, boom. Put this in here into the hole. There we go. Let's see this thing in action now. Look at that. Oh, feels nice. That's kind of high. Cool. Whoa. That's like a deep massage for your teeth. Awesome stuff. So check them out, YouTubers. We got Kealive on Amazon Prime. Got this nice little portable. Do it. Sonic Clean. Sonic Boom. There you go. And then you go like this. Then you plug it in. Where is it? Base it right here. See them down at the bottom right there? Oh, we can't see it. Timer's in the way. Right there. Just plug her in and charge her up. But the charge time is pretty good, I do believe. Charge time 12 hours. So charging status indicator flashes. Alright. Battery included. 2 lights. So that's really good. 12 hours for battery life. Bada boom. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. Kealive. Alright, be safe. Have a good one. And I might have another video coming up. So stay tuned and see ya.